First potato harvest of the season. It's too soon, way too soon. Right, we planted these potato and mistakenly I dug one over there. I replanted it. I never thought it's gonna grow, and it's regrowing. Actually, we never thought any of these potato will grow because we planted them soon after the snow season. It was super cold and they took 2 months to show up, but they did. And look at it now, it's they're everywhere, including this one. I don't know, beginner luck, I guess. Literally, this one I planted like 3 weeks ago, replanted it, and it's growing. Awesome. I'm gonna plant this parsley, dying parsley. They were selling it at half price or something. I think we will be able to revive them. I will try. Basil and cucumber. The melon, watermelon. Composting these, and we will use these for the cucumber and tomato plants. Oregano is almost ready for second harvest. We might need to contain it. I'm not gonna transfer it into a container, but I might put a barrier around, otherwise it will just go everywhere. Planted these watermelon, basil, and we got these extremely cheap price. They were about to die. I couldn't understand why, because the root was like going into circle into the small container. Probably been there for a long time. We'll try to see if we can revive it. So I have this one and this one as well. And we planted another tomato and cucumber and another basil over here. The other one is doing okay. I think it just need to be watered. We're not here every day. I think that's the challenge. So I planted 2 basil here today, and I kept another 2 in the house. Might increase our chances. At least some of them might survive. If these didn't, maybe the one in the house would. Beans, some of them are ready to cut. Like this one is ready. If it's pointing down, it's ready. If it's still facing up, it's not yet. We'll eat some of this while we have it. Yummy. Well, there's plenty. Okay, I think it's too soon, but I was watering it and it's got exposed, so I don't think I should keep them anymore. Otherwise they will turn green. Yeah, it's too soon, way too soon. First potato harvest of the season. Last thing to do is composting. We will use this corner. Just one can today. Feeding the soil, feeding the garden, feeding the farm. Smells good.